Hey everybody, YK Teo here. Buying tripods can be very complicated given there's so many things that goes inside the tripod. I decided myself to just borrow a few to show you the differences between each and every one of them. I hope that this can give you a sense of what you should look out for when buying your next tripod. Special thanks to the folks over at Photosphere for sending over these little photo tripods and accessories you see over here, such that I can make this video happen. Why use a tripod? Tripods are very useful in getting long exposure shots, such as light trails, light paintings, and fireworks. Especially for wildlife and sports, where long lenses are used over extended periods of time, tripods offer stability and support, rather than needing to handhold. When shooting products, tripods help lock the camera's position in, keeping composition the same. Tripods are also useful for taking self-portraits and videos. On the video side of things, a tripod prevents shaky footage compared to hand holding for pan, tilt, and zoom shots.
Tripod legs. The most important is the weight of your setup. Larger setups require larger tripods for stability. Please don't do this. Next is the height of your tripod. What you shoot often determines the height you will need. A good maximum height is from chest height all the way to head height. Most tripods also have a weight hook for extra stability. The center column of some tripods can be inverted for top-down shots. You should also consider minimum height for that low angle shot. If you shoot landscapes often, a weatherproof tripod may be good to have. Tripods like these have special seals to keep most sand, dirt, and water out. Another factor you may consider is the locking mechanism. Twist locks are much more weather sealed, but they are less visual indicators. Flip locks are faster to open and more common for video tripods. However, they require regular maintenance, else it may loosen. The rubber feet of tripod legs offers traction and grip on most surfaces. Some tripods allow you to convert it to spikes or other accessories. Tripod heads. First, fluid heads. These are mostly used in video for smooth pan and tilt. However, you'll need to rig up your camera to shoot vertically. A level tripod leg surface is needed for horizontal pans. Bow bases like these are thus often seen for larger video setups. Higher end fluid heads have more features such as counterbalance, tuned pan and tilt axis, and even LED illumination. On the photo side of things, we have ball heads. This is my go-to for everyday photography. You can use the notch to do vertical compositions too. More premium ball heads have a second panoramic plate at the top. It saves time as you only level the horizon once. If you want a hybrid, there exist fluid heads with panoramic top plate. These work the same way as a fluid head with pan and tilt. But a small rotation of the panoramic top plate enables you to go vertical in a pinch. However, you cannot tilt up or down vertically when in this mode. That's about it. See the blog post for a more detailed guide. Thank you Photosphere for the gear loan. Check out their stuff. Also, let me know your thoughts on this video. It took me too long to get around to finishing this, but I think it's a good short and succinct gear review. Cheers!